Alright, how's it going? It's Henry here. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to break down exactly how you can utilize the Facebook Business Manager, from exactly how to set it up, how to create a Business Manager profile, how to utilize the components in it, how to add people into your Business Manager. This video is going to be a step-by-step A to Z on using the Facebook Business Manager. So whether you are an agency owner, you are an advertiser for yourself, or you do dropshipping, e-commerce, this is going to make you understand exactly how to advertise using the Facebook Business Manager. So in a second, I'll just hop onto my laptop here and I'm going to walk you guys through exactly how you can use the Business Manager for yourself. Alright, how's it going? So before we get into it, just want to walk you through a few notes on the Business Manager before we actually show you the tutorial of how to set it up and how to use the Business Manager. So number one, firstly, the Business Manager is preferable to the standard personal ads manager. So the Business Manager is made for businesses to run ads. So agencies, if you have a SMA agency, if you run an e-commerce store, or if you have a local business, it's still much more preferable to a personal ads manager, because again, pretty much the personal ads manager is in the name. It's made just for somebody for a personal use, but with a Business Manager you're able to do many more things that you can't do as a personal ad account. And if you don't have a Business Manager account and you don't set one up, you are most likely going to run into issues later down the line when you're running ads. So it's preferable to the standard personal ads manager, and obviously there's a difference between the two. Next, again, it's almost like the standard ads manager on steroids, and the reason for this is it has a few more options that the personal ads manager does not have. Number three, it allows you to add on team members and contractors. So if you work with or wish to work with a team, even as a local business, maybe you want some employees to run do something for you, so you need to have Business Manager access to give them you need to have Business Manager access in order to let them run these certain things for you. If you have an agency, obviously you're going to work with team members or contractors, so you want to also have the Business Manager in order to do so. If not, you won't have the capability as you do in the Business Manager. Number four, as we said, building on the last point, is great for agencies. It allows your clients to give you partner access to the ad accounts and pages, so you can then add on any contractors and team members to work on your project. So again, with the Business Manager account, an agency can literally just give you partner access, so you become a partner of theirs, in quotes, and then once you're a partner of your client, then that's going to enable you to add any contractors as you wish to work on the project without the client then giving you any or having to give you any more access. So that's the best practice as an agency. Number five, it's an all-in-one solution. So the Facebook Business Manager has literally everything you need to run ads on Facebook, from adding ad accounts, adding pages, whether it's a Facebook page or Instagram page, giving team access and people access to certain elements of the ad account or page. Then you've got research tools, literally everything you need to run ads on Facebook. So now once you understand the 5 main points about the Business Manager, we're going to actually give you a tutorial on how to use the Business Manager. So firstly, in terms of finding the Business Manager, there's two main ways to do it. So you can literally just go to Google and type in Facebook Business Manager, and that of course is just going to give you a link that you can go to right here, which is here. So you can either just click on that, or for your own sake, which if you're going to be advertising on Facebook a lot, you want to remember that you can do this, which is just go to Google or just go to your main URL bar on your browser, and then you just want to type in business.facebook.com. Just get used to, if you're going to be advertising on Facebook, just going to this URL. So business.facebook.com, and then this is going to open up a page where you can register for the Facebook Business Manager. So as you can see here, the Business Manager comes up, manage ad accounts, pages, and the people who work on them all in one place. As I said, it's a much more robust place where you can do all this. And again, you can scroll down maybe to read a bit about it. You need to request access and all that stuff that we're going to cover in this tutorial. So again, you can just click on here and press login. If you have an existing account. So again, if we come to create account, firstly we're going to have to log in to our Facebook account. So just literally when you come here to create a new account, you just want to literally type in your Facebook account, and then log in from there. From there, it's going to then allow you to create a Business Manager account. So a Business Manager obviously has to be linked to a personal Facebook account, so Facebook can verify that you are an actual person registering for to be a business as well on Facebook. Now again, this doesn't cost anything, no extra cost to register for the Facebook Business Manager. You just need to have a personal profile. Then once you're logged in with your personal profile, you're going to click on create account here, and then literally all you're going to have to do is name your Facebook Business Manager according to what you want your business manager to be called. So if you are a local business, you just literally want to name your business manager maybe from the name of your business, whether you're, for example, called Bob Jim, Sarah's Dentist, whatever. You can just literally name it the name of your business, or the easiest thing for you to refer to your business. If you are an agency, the easiest thing is to call the business manager the name of your agency. For just literally is going to be very easy to do that. So now once you understand how to log in here and create your business manager account connected to your Facebook account, we're going to walk you through what the inside of the business manager looks like. So as you can see here, this is what the inside of the business manager looks like. I've got numerous pages that I manage. You, again, this might be blank for you because maybe you don't have any ad accounts or you don't have any pages connected to this. So what you are going to see instead is some icons that's going to allow you to click to either connect a page or create a new ad account. What an ad account is pretty much connected to a payment method that you can advertise with, and under that ad account then you can have some pages that use that ad account to advertise. So I hope that makes sense. You need an ad account to connect a payment method which Facebook will use to charge you, and then you can then also have a separate and then also have pages under that which are going to be spending money from that ad account. So if that makes sense. So inside your business manager, you can have numerous ad accounts as long as you keep those ad accounts active. Facebook has now started closing ad accounts if they are inactive for a certain period of time without spending any money at all. And then you can also connect various pages under that. So again, if you have, for example, one main ad account and then you use that ad account to manage multiple pages, that is also possible. So again, I'm just going to, once this is the main section that you see here, you can click on here to just see an overview of your ad account at any time, also some activity that you've had on the ad account. So now once you understand that a bit, you want to just click on business settings here to pull up some more things that you can do in the business manager. Alright, so as you can see here, when we pull up business settings, you're going to see a page like this. Here is the section for users. So if you want to add in somebody as an employee that's going to manage your Facebook page, or if you're going to hire an advertiser that's going to work with you full time, or if you are a business going to hire a ad agency, here's where you want to come to add in people to your ad agency. So again, if you are an agency owner, this is where you want to refer your clients to, which is the partner access here. Then continuing on, you've got pages here where you can add in pages under your business manager, and if you already have pages, you can request access. If you have personal pages or pages you've been managing under your personal page, you can request them to bring it all into your business manager, so it's all under one place. Next, you can do the same with Instagram accounts here. So the main things you'll be using will be people, partners, pages, ad accounts, and Instagram accounts. That's the main thing that you will be sort of using in here. Of course, firstly, you can also add in payments here as well. So those are the main things that you're going to be using. So as you can see here, firstly, you can see by people here, these are people that are working in my agency. For example, this is somebody who takes care of the pages, different pages that we work on. So this is one thing that you can see here, for example, the different the different sorts of things you can do with people inside your ads manager. So here, if we just press add, this is going to allow us to add in somebody as an employee. So most of the time, this is what you want to do, and you can just literally type in the person here, like for example, Jim at facebook.com, and then you can literally just press next and choose the different roles that you want them to have, whether it's employee access, whether it's so on and so forth. You can do that there. So normally you would just choose employee access if you want to hire in somebody like that. So if we see here, I'm not going to continue this, but you can then give access to pages, ad accounts, catalogs, and so on from here. So another important thing that you have to do is obviously you need to have an ad account. So you want to come into ad accounts here, and then you can literally also add an ad account from here, and you want to enter the ad account ID if it's an existing ad account find the ad account ID, and you can add it in here. So for example, if you had an account you're using with your personal profile that you want to take into your business manager, you just literally put the ad account ID and it adds it into your business manager here. Now, if you want to create a new one, you can just click on here, and then you name the ad account local business, or main ad account. Maybe put the name of your business, Octane social media. For example, put your time zone and put your currency. As a side note, you aren't going to be able to change the either currency or time zone as soon as you enter this. So make sure you choose the right time zone and right currency. If you are obviously in the US, put dollars. If you deal in dollars, maybe put dollars. Make sure this is right before you continue. And then obviously the payment method, you want to add a payment method on the side here to add it to your ad account. Then next, you can also add in pages. So you can come in here, and then you can also just literally either create a page or request access for an existing page. You can do that all here, and the same for Instagram accounts. So this is what you want to, or how you want to utilize the ads manager. Now, the final thing, obviously, if you are a Facebook ads agency, this is going to be useful pretty much for somebody who runs a Facebook ads agency that you want to pass on to your clients. So, or anyone, if you are watching this and wanting to pass on your advertising to an agency, what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to add partner, and then you're going to enter the advertising agency's business ID, the Facebook Business Manager ID. For the sake of understanding where your business manager ID is, if you go to the URL here, you can see something that says business ID equals, and you see a set of numbers. So you literally just want to copy this. This is going to be your business manager ID if you run an agency. Your business manager ID will be in the URL, and you can give that to all your clients. So when they are adding you as a partner, they can literally just come in here, press add, and then add in your partner ID here, which you can see here. Obviously, I can't, because this is our own partner ID as Octane Social Media, so I can't do this. But you as an agency want to give your clients this partner ID so they can add you in. What that means is once they add you in, is they're going to be able, or you are going to have access to all their ad accounts, pages, and then you can literally, once you become a partner, give access to your team members that you've already added into your business manager to also work on that client's project. So I hope that all makes sense. This is how you use the business manager. It's very robust, and also, just as a side note, it's got all these other things that you can utilize here. So if you come into the business manager, you can see ads manager here, analytics, audiences. Audiences are audiences that you create or save. Ads manager is literally where you do all the advertising. You can see an example of the ads manager here, where you're actually going to advertise, and that all comes in there. And then also you've got analytics. You can go to other tools. You've got reporting, attribution, all that, automated rules. All these lists of things are inside the business manager. So it's a very robust tool, as I said, and this is where you should be doing the bulk of your advertising from the business manager. If you have an agency, this is where, again, you're going to spend a lot of your time incorporating clients into your business manager, or them giving you partner access, and you will be also hiring contractors inside the business manager as well, and giving them certain roles in your agency. So just finally going through these notes as we did before, and so you can sort of refresh your mind. As we said, it's preferable to the standard ads manager. It's like a standard ads manager on steroids. You can add in team members and contractors. It's perfect for agency, and it's an all-in-one solution. So once again, I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to utilize the business manager. Alright, so if you found that useful, if you now understand how to use the Facebook Business Manager, but you feel you would like to or you would benefit from a much more personalized approach, tailored approach to getting the most out of tools like the Business Manager and advertising in a much more effective way, I'd like to give you the chance to book a free consultation call with myself. Again, I've been advertising on Facebook over the last 3 years. I've spent over hundreds of thousands of dollars using the Facebook Ads Manager, and I've made much more back from that for myself or my clients. So again, I'd like to invite you to have this free consultation call with me. We're going to look at your current situation advertising on Facebook. We're going to look at where exactly you want to get to, and we're going to break down the best solutions for yourself to get good results on Facebook and understand how to use the tools in the Facebook Business Manager and on the Facebook advertising platform. So again, if that sounds like something you would like to take advantage of, I would invite you to book the free consultation. Just click on the link below this video. The first link in there is going to take you to a page. It's going to open up a page where you can fill in a short application form, then choose a time that suits you to speak to myself or a member of my team. And then all that's going to happen is in that time that you've chosen, we're going to give you a call free of charge, no matter where in the world you are, whether it's in Latvia, whether it's in Poland, whether it's in the United States, Canada, wherever you are in the world. We're going to give you that call free of charge and speak to you for a 30 to 45 minute period to see how we can help you come up with a battle plan. And if after that call with the battle plan you decide to work on a longer term basis with either myself in my mentoring program or also work with my agency to get you results online, then that's something we can do as well. But regardless, you're going to get value and a game plan that you can utilize in a personalized way to get results from tools like the Business Manager. So with that being said, hope you got value from this video. Maybe watch some other videos on this channel if you're trying to get into Facebook advertising as well. And otherwise, once again, glad you got value, and I'll see you on the next videos. Take care.